how to go live on TikTok without 1,000 followers. So if you want to go live on TikTok without 1,000 followers, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your TikTok application, go with the plus icon, which is on the bottom middle, and here you will have live option, right? So you just need something go with live and you'll be able to go live. But if you don't find go live option, then what you need to do is just simply take a screenshot of this one, take a screenshot of the interface, go with the profile, which is on the bottom right, and go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. Go with settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, you need to scroll down, go with report a problem. And here you will have live option. Go with drop down and tap on hosting live. Now you can go with my live is suspended, or I don't have a live option, something like that, which is related to your problem. You can go and select the first option. Now tap on no, tap on need more help. And here you need to enter your problem like, hello TikTok team, I don't have my live option. Please help me to get my live option, or provide me some guidelines on how I can get the live option on TikTok. And TikTok will help you with your problem. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.